Hi guys, welcome back. So I wanted to go over this reading a weather map assignment with you really quickly, um, because I think that obviously you guys are all capable of reading your slides and watching those videos we've linked for you today, but I just wanted to post this video to give you guys a little bit of extra help on reading these weather maps and interpreting them. So I know it can be kind of a difficult thing and we're not together in person, so I can't help you step by step, so I thought a video might be helpful. So I'm just going to go through these questions and kind of tell you what to look out for as you are answering them. So question 1 says, which cities are experiencing dry, clear conditions? So in order to experience or to point out which cities have dry or clear conditions, we need to look for areas of high pressure. So areas of high pressure typically have clear weather. So you're going to want to look and find the cities that are close to the H's on the map. Okay, so just name a couple of them, maybe 2 or 3, and then let me know which cities are close to these areas of high pressure, because high pressure typically brings clear, dry weather. Question 2 says, what cities are probably experiencing lingering rain showers? So there are 2 of them, and you're going to want to find the symbol for the stationary front. So remember, stationary fronts, when they come in, they typically bring rain, but they don't move very quickly. So they stick around for a few days, and they typically bring a few days of wet, drizzly, just gross weather. So you're going to want to pick out the cities that are near the stationary front. And the cities, again, are where the black dots are. So like this dot with Little Rock, this is a city. Chicago is a city. Washington, D.C. is a city. Charleston, Orlando, anywhere you see the black dot is the city. 3 says, what type of front passed through Little Rock, and explain what type of weather they probably had. So we have our Little Rock right here. So this is the front symbol. We need to go back and figure out what front symbol that is. It's one of the first ones we talked about. And then also there's a particular type of weather that comes through. So remember, this is the violent pushing up of the warm front as this particular front comes through, which can lead to storms. Okay, so tell me what front this is coming through. And we're probably, as this front came through Little Rock, they probably saw thunderstorms, really quick thunderstorms, because this type of front, and I'm not going to tell you because I want you to go back and make sure you know it for yourself. But when this type of front comes through, it forces the warm air mass up very violently, and it causes thunderstorms. Which city will be cooling off soon? So whenever this type of front comes through, it brings cool weather with it. So look at your map and see which city will probably be cooling off. So which city will be in this front's path and will be set to cool down as this front moves through. Which cities are probably experiencing stormy or rainy weather? So if areas of high pressure are clear and dry, areas of low pressure are going to be rainy and wet. So choose the cities that are near these areas of low pressure for that rainy weather. And then which city is cold enough to support frozen precipitation like snow or sleet? It has to be at least 32 degrees outside in order for snow to form, okay? So you just have to look at the map and find the black dot that has a temperature reading outside lower than 32 degrees, and there is only one of them, and you're going to want to be looking for that in the northern United States, okay? So I hope that's helpful. And I hope that it helps you answer these questions as you go through them and get it submitted by this Sunday. If you have other questions, let me know. And if not, I will see you guys Monday morning. Bye.